So now we will install Windows 2025, and we have already downloaded the ISO from Microsoft.com. 2025 is going live in Q4 2024, but we managed to download the evaluation version, and we will quickly install Windows 2025. So we have installed Workstation Pro 17 for education purpose only on my machine, and now we have created a machine, uh, blank structure. I will map the ISO from here, and now we going to boot machine quickly once the ISO is mapped. So just wait. You don't need much CPU or memory to install it on your local in your lab environment. So I just have 2 GB RAM on my machine and one CPU and 25 GB hard disk. That's enough for the lab purpose. So now we booted up the machine, and we will boot from the CD-ROM, and let's wait. It's very quick installing. Booted from CD, and now we will select the options. Next, just wait a minute. We'll select the graphics mode for 2025 standard version. Next, accept, and please wait. It's searching for the disk. We have already added 25 GB, so it's creating a partition with 25 GB for this OS, and click on install and just wait. It's there's no more action needed, and it will I will mute, and then we come back. Now installation is going to complete soon. The machine will restart now. And it's very friendly installation. You don't need to define many options here in 2025. And if you want to know more about 2025, you can go on the Microsoft website, and they have an article about what's new with 2025, and you can read more about it. And now it's doing Windows normal installation stuff. We have to wait till countdown goes till 100. It's about to complete. Now the password for administrator account. I really like the look and feel for 2025, and it's not available for production environment, but it's good to test out the new OS when it comes in the market, and be one step ahead with the new technologies. It's if you compare it to Windows 11, it's overlocked like the same theme Windows 2025 has, like 11. So it's really nice and good, and it's very fast machine, fast OS, not compared to 2019 or 2016. It works so fast. If you have good recommended resources for the machine, it's not going to take time. It will be very quick. Maybe in 5 minutes you have machine ready with the image. Now we're installing VMware tools on this machine so that we get a good view and graphics on the machine. You know, the hypervisor tools, why we need hypervisor tools on the OS. So it's for the same purpose with 2025. tools are about to get installed quickly, and soon it will ask for machine to reboot. So just wait. Yeah, it's booting up machine quickly now. Now we have a full view for the machine once the tools are installed. Yeah, finish and restart. Now we are back again. So if you would see how quickly we installed 2025, and you're gonna love the look and feel for new OS. It's very user friendly, and yeah, it is. There are more security features introduced with the new OS and lightweight OS, and it's going to get live, generally available in Q4 2024. So stay tuned. We will be uploading more videos about new functionalities in OS, and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.